In years gone by, people knew when the government wanted to carry out a search of their property. The signs were all there, right in front of them. But with a move to cloud-based computing, US federal agencies can be in and out and no one would be any wiser. Cloud computing allows users to store email, documents, photos and more on servers in data centres owned by tech firms. Microsoft says in the past 18 months, it's received 5,624 federal demands for customer information. Half of those came with a gag order. So by law, the company couldn't tell its customers the government had accessed their data, ever.
Under the Fourth Amendment to our Constitution, which guarantees the privacy of our homes and our papers, when the government seizes information from us, the government needs to tell us so that we can challenge that seizure in a court of law. And it should be a rare event when the government secretly is seizing our information.
This is the latest battle between tech companies and the US government. Apple was ordered to help the FBI access the phone used by one of the shooters in San Bernardino last year, where 14 were killed. It appealed that decision, but before it made its way through the legal system, hackers helped law enforcement access the phone without wiping data. The balance between privacy and stopping wrongdoing causes politicians headaches, something President Barack Obama highlighted at a tech conference last month.
I am way on the civil liberties side of this thing. I anguish a lot over the decisions we make in terms of how to keep this country safe, and I am not interested in overthrowing the values that have made us an exceptional and great nation simply for expediency. But the dangers are real. Maintaining law and order and a civilized society is important. Protecting our kids is important. And so I would just caution against taking an absolutist perspective on this.
The case Microsoft has raised could take years to make its way through the court, and in that time, technology will change again. US Congress has expressed some interest in taking action, but no one will make a move on such a divisive issue in an election year. Alan Fisher, Al Jazeera.